Welcome to the Ruhr area, our own Ruhrpott. Welcome to Gym 80. For us, made in Germany means a commitment to the location of Germany and to the quality that has made us globally successful and leading manufacturer of fitness, medical and high-performance strength training equipment and machines. At our headquarters in Gelsenkirchen, you find our manufacturing and showroom. Our commitment to this location means a commitment to the Pott, the traditional home of steel production, where people work hard. The core for our machines is steel, and this is a region where it naturally comes from. Many years of working together with our steel suppliers has given us a relationship of trust. Trust that is ensuring the quality that we want for our customers. The extremely sturdy oval tubing is rolled especially for Gym 80. We designed the device for doing this ourselves and have even registered the forms as a design at the Patent and Trademark Office. They are 4 mm thick and are manufactured in 5 different sizes. This is unrivaled in Germany and throughout the world. The steel tubing and plates are prepared for the next production steps using high-tech laser equipment. With computer-aided control, the developer's specifications are implemented and the massive steel tubing is brought into form using a laser and then cut to the right length. Before the actual work can begin, all machines are designed in our development department. All equipment is first designed as a computer model using the most modern 3D technology. Then the fabrication steps are planned and transmitted to the fabricating centers, in other words to the laser and CNC plants, the welding machines or the mechanists. Our development department doesn't only design the machines, it makes the devices needed for finishing them. The individual parts must be put together in the end such that they can be assembled. An individual device is created for each machine, each one more complex than the other. The prepared tubing is clamped here so that they can be directly welded together. High-tech welding robots known from the automobile industry are also put to use for building Gym 80's machines. They weld the laser-cut steel tubing into the basic framework of our machines. The tubing, which is held by the device, can be welded by the robots with millimeter accuracy. It doesn't matter how it's turned. Our robots can weld in 3D. That means that they can reach any point with highest precision. But as with any automated work, part of the production is still manual, real sweat, in other words. Piecework or special finishings are manufactured in our own machine shop. Assembly can be a big challenge for the mechanists because welded constructions are subject to strong warping and tensions with the influence of the heat. In addition, the individual components must be aligned to ensure smooth functioning. Some of the components in the existing frame made from the oval tubing, however, have to be bent in the true sense of the word, into shape before being worked further. A multi-roll bending machine does this job. What's special about it? It can bend the oval tubing over the surface as well as over the edge. The basic form of the machine frame slowly becomes recognizable. In the welding shop, the tack-welded tubing sections and the different components are finished welded just in time and precisely as needed. In this way, different sub-assembly groups based on different platforms analogous to auto manufacturing are created, which can then be built into different machines. Here in the grinding section, the machines and equipment get their finish. The grinders remove the excess welding material and the machines undergo a visual check of their welds. In another prefabricating area, the small moving parts for the seats, weights and other accessories are manufactured. The CNC milling machines are available for the mechanical and tension-reducing work. One important element is still missing from our machines: the weight plates. Cut from blank flat steel and drilled in our CNC machining center, several thousands of tons of weights are made here every day. Additional finishing of the individual sub-assemblies and parts in the areas for bead blasting, coating, oven drying, cooling area, and pre-installation then take place with an overhead track transport. First station, the continuous feed blasting equipment. The bead blasting station, equipped with 8 turbines, has a feed time of about 5 minutes. In this step, the parts are mechanically blasted with steel beads and leave the station with clean metal. This means the powder coating sticks to the steel better, and at the same time it is better protected from corrosion. In the next step, the parts are coated in 3 powder cabins using both standard or other selected RAL colors. All cabins are equipped with a material recycling of 100%, which is efficient and at the same time environmentally friendly. After the powder coating, the suspension bars pass through the 30-meter-long drying oven. Here the powder-coated parts are dried for at least an hour at 220 degrees Celsius. Then follows a cooling phase in the overhead track. The machine and equipment are created from the various components in the pre-assembly. The individual parts are removed from the overhead track and pre-assembled directly on the shipping pallet. An additional visual check takes place at this time. After pre-assembling the basic frame, the Teflon friction bearings are set in the coated weight plates. Then the weight decals are applied and the system for the weight packs on the carousel device are put together. But in spite of a love for steel, some components are also made of wood. The parts for the seat, back and bench, which are upholstered in the upholstery shop, are fabricated in the carpenter shop. Here a CNC wood milling machine is put to use. The upholstery manufacturing is done by the A&S company. All of the upholstery for our machines are produced here. They can be delivered in different colors and shades and individualized with logos, lettering and embroidery. The computer-controlled 4-headed embroidery machine can match anything the customer wants. Now all assemblies are finished and put into the finished machine for the final assembly. With steel frames, weight stacks, ball bearings, 40 mm steel belt transport pulleys and gas pressure cylinders, a high-tech and premium Gym 80 machine has been created. To ensure our high-quality claims, a functional inspection is made at the end and the final acceptance takes place. As a last work step in shipping, the upholstery is put on and the series number applied. From shipping, the machines and equipment leave our site in Gelsenkirchen, fully commissioned and suitably packaged for the type of transportation. With that, they leave the pot behind and head out into the wide world. That's what we mean when we say, Marat Jod.